welcome to my channel. My name is Ciara. Today I'll be doing a makeup look with you guys. Basically how I do my makeup when I'm wearing a red lipstick. So if you like to see how I achieve this look, so we're about to get right into this video. Keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe. Comment down below. And I'm using the Benefit pencil right here, and I'm just gonna use this to fill in my eyebrows. I think that's funny.
To fight a little dirty, baby. If I opened up and caved in, would you hurt me, baby? I've been feeling like an alien, a refugee, an outsider for some time. You the first one, made my heartbeat, made my stomach drop with desire. It's no crime. I need a little bit let the guns blow. Run from you. Or we can let the war start for us two. Please don't change, please don't stop. When you leave, breaks my heart. I've been down, you've been hurt. Since that day I put you first. Or we can let the guns. I like to fight a little dirty.